Okay, today I'm in a hole here and I'm digging out my first bottle. I don't know what kind of bottle it is yet, but there is embossing on it. I don't know if it's in one complete piece. I can't tell, but it's in a really hard place where a bottle would be. And so here I am, back at it again, digging for bottles. You can see there's stuff all around here, but this particular place is not well known for its accessibility. It's a very difficult place to dig for bottles. You see, I got one right here. I think, I don't know. Let me pry this one out and see what it is. It's just a bromo. Got a bromo right there. Let's take that bromo out of there and keep going with this. I mean, once you find them, this is a round bottom, it looks like. Or is it? No, I know what this one is. I know exactly what this bottle is. If I can get the son of a bitch out, I know exactly what this bottle is. I just gotta get most of it out. And it's like landlocked here. Wow, mercy in heaven. Is this always like this? Why in mercy in heaven is always, this is always the case here. I get a bottle and the damn thing is wedged in there like it's locked in, it's landlocked. It's up here. Gotta get this damn thing out of here. That's just a broken ale bottle. Okay, I should. Now there's a lip of a bottle there, I think. Is that a lip of a bottle? Yeah, that's another lip of a bottle. This one should come out. It should be coming out with no problem at all, but it is. And I know what this bottle is. It's a jar, actually. And as you can see, it's a Mockingbird food. With the Mockingbird food still in it, look like. Yep. Mockingbird food. It's Mullins or something like that. Well, that's not a bad bottle for my first try. It's, I see another one in here. Thought it was right in here. But it's gonna take me a while to get to it. You can see it's right there. So I'm gonna dig it out and I'll get back to you. Okay. Well, my first bottle.